In previous video, we have read about simple if. Now we will study if else. Its syntax is if within bracket will give condition, then statement 1, and in else part will give statement 2. What does it mean? If the condition is true, then statement 1 will execute, and if condition is false, then statement 2 will execute. If else can be said as other form of ternary operator, because in ternary operator also we are given condition. If that condition is true, then statement 1 gets executed, and if that condition is false, then statement 2 gets executed. In this program we are going to see if the number is even or odd. For that, hash include stdio.h int main. This is the starting point of execution of every program. I'm taking one integer variable, integer num. Printf backslash, and here I'm taking input of value in num1. Enter this is a message, and here I'm taking input of input in number1 %t comma ampersand num. Now we'll be checking if number is even or odd. If we divide any number by 2, if the remainder is 0, then that number is even, otherwise it is odd. So if num, for remainder we are using modulus operator. If number modulus 2 equals to 0, that means if remainder is equals to 0, then printf backslash n even number, otherwise else printf backslash n odd. Here we are giving else part. So if this condition is true, this statement will execute, and if this condition is false, this statement is going to execute. Then return 0, save the program, build it, and then run it. Enter a number, I'm giving 5. It's an odd number. Again I'm running. Enter a number, I'm giving here 20. It's an even number. In this program, we'll be taking input of marks of a student. If marks are greater than or equals to 75, then it is pass, otherwise fail. Then hash include stdio.h int main. I'm taking one integer variable, integer m. Printf backslash n, enter marks of student scanf %t comma m is the variable we have taken, ampersand m. Here we will check if m is greater than or equals to 75, then we have to print message printf backslash n pass. You can give here any number of messages, then printf \n and of result, again \n, given if we are using multiple statements in if, then it's better to put them in curly bracket. Else printf fail and that returns 0. Save the program, build it, then run it. And to the marks of students, I'm giving 88. It will show pass end of the result. Again, if I run it and if I'm giving 56, it will say fail and end of the result. In this program, we will be checking if the number is 2-digit number or not. For that, hash include stdio.h int main. I'm taking one integer variable integer n and I'm initializing n with 25. If one more bracket I need, n is greater than equals to 10 and n is less than equals to 99. If both these conditions are true, that is if n is greater than equals to 10 and n is less than equals to 99, then we have to print two-digit number. Otherwise, else printf not a two-digit number. Return 0. Save the program, build it, and then run it. It is saying that it's a two-digit number. Number was 25. Instead of 25, if I put 1 here, only 2 here, I'm giving n equals to 2. Save it and then again build it. Now it's saying it's not a two-digit number because we gave number 2 here.